Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join Minecraft realms on mobile. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, tap on play. Alright, tap on it, wait for it to load. Once it loads, at the top we have worlds, realms, reverse. Tap on realms. Okay, in here you gotta want to click on or tap on add or join realm. Just tap on it. Now you can go ahead and add a realm subscription right here if you are subscribed to, of course, Minecraft realms. All right, or you can just go ahead and hit on play right here. Here we have it. This is just free trial. Okay, you can go to try the free trial. Tap on play and you're good to go. You could invite someone to join your realms. All right, so another option, add, then join an existing realm. All you got to do is just type down or copy and paste the what? Invite link. All right, if you're wondering where you should get an invite link, well, you can just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and realms Minecraft, type it down. Okay, you will have sort of a website right here that you can join, or join realms Minecraft. Let's just go ahead and test out this website. Now you can go ahead and click on view realm. Here we have the code. You can just copy it, okay, paste it right here, or you can just go ahead and type it down manually, okay, and then just hit on join. All right, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just tap on join and enjoy. That's basically it. That is how you join Minecraft realm on mobile. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.